Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create your own template in Confluence. Now the first thing I want you to do is just click on any of your spaces, and then you can click on these three dots next to the name of the space, okay? Click on the three dots and then click on Space Settings. Now, what I want you to do here, once this loads up on the left-hand panel, I want you to go ahead and scroll down all the way down until you see Look and Feel. Okay, click on that and then click on templates. And what we'll do right here, we need to create a user created template. So click on create a new template and this page will load up. This is basically the page editor and you can do all kinds of things here, right? You can basically create a template just like how you would create a regular Confluence page. You add content like headings, titles. So let me go ahead and show you. You can add macros as well. You can go ahead and use / and add things like images, action items, anything you want, tables. So let's do image, for example. Let's click here on upload. We will add our logo, click on open, and then that will be uploaded as well, as you can see. You can of course resize this as well by dragging it out. And you can name this anything you want. Let's just name this answer ASAP, right? Add anything you want. And then once you're happy with it, just come here, click on save. And that will be your template. And I'll show you how to access this as well. All right, so it's been added under user created templates. And now you just create a new page, right? Click here on create, click on page. And then here at the bottom, I want you to just choose templates. Click on all templates right here. And this will open up a panel here. So here we have templates. Select a template from the space. So this is our space. And now you can see here custom. You click on this and we'll get our answer ACP, or you can click on my templates. You'll get it right there as well. So you just add this template for the page. And that will be used, it will be applied, and you can publish this if you want, okay? Otherwise, really that easy, and that is how to create your own template in Confluence.